Hey guys, welcome back to my channel in Arizona. Okay, so I'm with my mom. Say hi, Mom. Hi. And my stepdad. Say hi.
Hi.
And we are at home. Is that backwards? Probably gonna be backwards on screen. Maybe not. I don't know how that works. Anyway, we are going to look in the plant section because I need planters, as always. So I figured I'd take you along with us. Yay. That's right. We're also looking for some real big fake leaves from my mom's outdoor area. She has this enclosed porch that doesn't get any sun. So she's looking for some leaves to put in these vases that she has. So we'll look for that too. Right, Mom? How much are they?
Only 25 bucks.
$25, that's 40. Oh, they're on sale.
Normally.
Cute. Ooh, this stuff is pretty. Look how pretty that is. Okay. Now here's some planters. Wow. Ooh, I like these. Yeah, those are pretty.
I know, that's what I said.
These are nice. Oh, those are cute. Yeah, that is a lot. Wow. Yikes.
I'm just gonna sell my own.
Little baby fake monstera.
It's all good. I'll go get it.
They're cute. Okay, look at these fake plants. These look realistic. How cute is that?
No,
Here we go.
that's what I wanted.
Yeah, like these, Mom, are pretty cool.
Even these are cool, but they don't have enough.
The fan palms. Yeah, see, these are like rubber. Feel them.
Oh, yeah, that'll withhold anything.
Water. And the monstera leaves. I think you should get a couple monstera leaves.
Yeah, depends what they cost.
Cute. How much are they?
$2, that's not bad.
That's not bad.
No. So what, we want two
They have mini monsteras.
to hold that. So will this all...
These fake plants are on point. Like, for real. Look at these, look real. These money trees. That is so cool. You like those? It is very Arizona.
Yeah.
For all of your backyard needs, they have solar lights galore. They're cute. Oh, they have little ones. How cute are these? Mom, look at these pigs.
I know, aren't they adorable?
Yeah, I like it.
They got just one more left. Placemats?
Placemats?
Table runner.
Oh, that's so cute. These are planters. Look at this little pig.
Oh, that's cute.
His ear's chipped.
Oh.
He's
That
so
is
cute.
adorable.
I just don't like that they don't have drain holes.
Yeah,
It drives
I
me
know.
nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I like these. These are pretty awesome. Let's see. Can you take that off and see if there's a hole in it? No?
No. Nope.
This looks solid though.
Solid as a rock. This is cute.
Is there a drain hole? Yeah, there is.
Oh,
How much is that one?
$6.
Made with biodegradable agave fibers, terra-cotta. It's a planter and it's made from
Wow.
biodegradable. That's pretty cool.
What do they want for that?
$7.
That's nice.
It's cute.
Yeah.
I love this. And it lights up. Yeah, those are awesome.
Yeah. Or even more like 12.
There's a little bitty one.
Oh, that is so cool. That's cute. Kayla would like that. Just saying. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I got. I haven't even checked out yet, but we're waiting, so figured I'll show you now. This adorable terracotta bowl, $5.99, drain hole. I think it's super cute. It's like low. I love it. It's different. And then these, I got 2 of these. How awesome are these, guys? They take an agave plant and they repurpose its fibers and turn it into a planter, make it so it's biodegradable. They had all these colors and I picked the cream because I like my neutrals. They're $6.99 a piece. Drain holes, obviously. I think I'm gonna put these in the backyard. I think they'll be really cute out there. Cool, sorry.
Alright. Yeah. Good. So why don't you test the machine out here before you're going on the road? Okay.
Those are gonna look pretty. I'll have to insert a clip of your vases here so you guys can see what they look like.
And there's 6 of these.
I'm excited to get those organized. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'm whispering because I'm still in the store. If you guys liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. Looking down at my stuff I got, I'm excited. So I had to keep it simple to keep it to where it fit in my suitcase. So I think I'm doing a good job. Thanks guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.